हमने रिसेंटली एक मिसाइल टेस्ट किया, अग्नि 5. Why MTCR says you cannot transfer rocket? PSLV for last 1.5 decade, yes, 15 saal, has been doing one remarkable job. I hope things are making sense to all of you, that it is carrying multiple satellites in a single flight. Multiple, not one. 2008-9, it is started with 10 satellites. One PSLV, you can visualize, and 10 satellites. And all of them were placed in the orbit. Then 30, 35 became a routine. Then February 2016, when you were watching Chota Bheem, isn't it? नहीं, मैं compliment दे रहा हूं that you are young. Isn't it? 16 you were watching Chota Bheem, so you are still early 20s, isn't it? Huh? Fine. So try to take it positively. So it carried 104 satellites, my goodness, and for a long time it remained a world record. तो सर हमने हमेशा दुनिया को डोमिनेट किया है, चाहे वो आर्यभट्ट हो, चाहे वो PSLV हो, या और भी बहुत सारी चीजें. तो 104 सैटेलाइट, माय गुडनेस. Now this technology is being transferred by ISRO to DRDO. Take a pause. What does MTCR says? You cannot transfer rocket technology, but internally we can do, because it was our own technology. अब उस technology को DRDO ने कहाँ use किया? When they have developed MIRV. Because in PSLV there were satellites. Agni is carrying warhead. The technology is how to make them separate. I hope this point is clear. So the basic technology for the Agni 5 which we have tested came from which launch vehicle? PSLV. Got my point? Yes or no? Now listen, story is not yet over. Now PSLV has got multiple variants, multiple, galore. I'll just tell you 2-3. If you come across this term, simple PSLV, in the newspaper, then it means, look here, solid, liquid plus 6 strap on motors. SOM means strap on motors, means those boosters. If you don't want to write strap on motors, you can write boosters. Booster means boost is the source of our energy, na? It provides that extra thrust. Yes. The payload पे भी कुछ लोग परेशान होंगे. The payload is 1600 kilogram, means it can carry a satellite weighing up to 1600 kilogram. Means it cannot carry anything which is heavier than 1600 kilogram. PSLV CA. CA means core alone. Core, C-O-R-E, core. Core alone means only 4 stages: solid, liquid, no strap-on motor. Now tell me, you people are very intelligent not to answer this question. If I am removing boosters, which were providing extra support, then what will happen? The payload capacity will increase or decrease? Decrease. Very good. Keep it up. So payload will decrease and it is around 1100 kilogram. Then third is PSLV DL. DL means developmental. DL. रुकना, ये बहुत important है. PSLV DL. Solid liquid plus 2 strap on motors. 2 strap on motors. Payload capacity नहीं याद रखनी, 1253 kilogram to be precise. नहीं याद रखोगे, बिल्कुल नहीं याद रखोगे. You're wasting your energy. और होगा क्या, एग्जाम के दिन भूल जाओगे. It will demoralize you. Then comes PSLV QL. QL, ISRO has not provided any full form, so please don't ask me. Solid liquid plus 4 strap on motors. Payload capacity approximately 1500 kilogram. No, please don't lose interest, please. Then I'm writing here PSLV XL. XL is? It is extended length. Extra large. ये कोई अब बस क्या बोलूं, चलो छोड़ो. Extended length, huh? See, extended length is solid liquid plus 6 strap-on motors, but these strap-on motors are XL. अब मुझे बताओ, common sense. If the boosters are being made more powerful, so the payload capacity will increase or decrease? Increase, yes. So look, you people are amazing. 1800 kilogram. अब रुक जाओ, take a pause. Take a pause. This is the one which we have used for launching Chandrayaan 1, Mars orbiter mission, AstroSat, very good. And all the satellites of our navigation system, IRNSS.